Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. President Bola Tinubu has restated that his government's main focus is restoring peace, improving national security, and creating more economic opportunities for Nigerians. Speaking on the president's behalf at the memorial of former Kogi State Governor Prince Abubakar Audu in Lokoja on Sunday, the Minister of Information and National Orientation Mohammed Idris said the federal government is fully committed to defeating those threatening Nigerians' peace. The Governing Council of Umaru Musa Yar'Adua University, Katsina, has approved the promotion of 19 academic staff to the rank of professors. This is contained in a statement issued in Katsina on Sunday by Nabila Dahiru, Assistant Chief Information and Protocol Officer, Office of the Vice Chancellor. According to her, the development followed the 56th meeting of the Governing Council, which approved the promotion of 113 academic staff with effect from October 1st. The chairman of the Arewa Consultative Forum, Alhaji Bashir Dalhatu, has urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led federal government to examine the possibility of granting amnesty to bandits. Dalhatu, who spoke during an interview on Arise TV recently, said many of the bandits in the north lack access to education and basic opportunities, and suggested that a structural rehabilitation process could implement security measures. He said a similar amnesty program was implemented for Niger Delta militants during a chaotic period in the regions, adding that it helped reintegrate former agitators through education and support. Now in security, a security expert tracker and a jihadi expert with special focus on the Sahel, Brand Philip, has claimed that the United States has begun conducting operations inside Nigeria as part of an agreement with the Nigerian government aimed at tackling escalating terrorism. He stated on Saturday that a United States aircraft carried out an operation in Borno State, noting that the aircraft took off from Accra, Ghana. Bandits have struck again, attacking an immigration checkpoint in Bakirua, Niger State, around 11 p.m., leaving destructions and chaos in their wake. The attackers, suspected to be members of the Lakurawa terrorist group, set ablaze most operational vehicles, the checkpoint, building, and other critical facilities. The Nigerian Air Force NAF said its airstrike has neutralized several terrorists across northwest and northeastern Nigeria. Air Commando Ihemin Ejodem, Director of Public Relations and Information Headquarters, Nigerian Air Force, in a statement said the success followed an intelligent-derived air interdictions. Still on insecurity, another commercial vehicle was attacked on Sunday along the Idofin axis in Yagba East Kogi State. The driver narrowly escaped. This comes just 24 hours after two people were abducted on the same road. Residents are calling for urgent government actions. Now politics. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) rejects Tinubu's ambassadorial list, says nominees damage Nigerians' global image. NNPP opens door to coalitions, declare presidential ticket not reserved for Konkoso. 2027 Tinubu has less than 5 months to impress Nigerians, says Alin Dume. Now from the international scene, 3 children among 4 died at horror mass shooting at girls' birthday party in California as gunmen on the loose. Local authorities confirmed reports of the shooting were received just after 6 p.m. The victims include both adults and children as they were all rushed to hospital. Authorities said those killed in the mass shooting were aged 8, 9, 14, 21, police said. The injured includes a 9-year-old and 15-year-old young adult under the age of 22, authorities added. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us on Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.